Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint lime. First, gather your fresh ingredients, a handful of vibrant mint leaves and 2 to 3 ripe limes. You'll also need simple syrup for sweetness, which is just equal parts sugar and water. Make sure you have a sturdy muddler and a tall glass ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a refreshing drink. Now, let's get to the fun part. Place about 10 to 12 mint leaves into your glass. Gently muddle them a few times to release their aromatic oils, but don't overdo it. Next, squeeze about 2 ounces of fresh lime juice directly into the glass. Add 1 to 2 ounces of simple syrup, adjusting to your preferred level of sweetness. Stir everything together well. With your muddled mint, lime juice, and syrup combined, it's time to build your drink. Give it another quick stir to ensure all the flavors are well mixed. Now, fill your glass completely with ice cubes, right up to the top. Finally, pour in sparkling water or club soda to fill the rest of the glass. This adds a delightful fizz and lightness. For the perfect finishing touch, garnish your refreshing mint lime. A thin lime wheel placed on the rim or dropped into the drink adds a lovely visual. A fresh sprig of mint, gently clapped between your hands to release its aroma, makes an excellent final flourish. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, invigorating beverage. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.